Ever wondered why some YouTube channels focus on a very specific topic while others seem to have no particular focus at all? It's a curious question that has crossed the minds of many, both viewers and content creators alike. And the answer lies in a simple yet influential concept: the niche. A niche in the context of YouTube channels is akin to a specialty. It's a distinct segment of a market, a unique area of focus that sets a channel apart. Imagine a bookstore. There are sections for various genres: mystery, romance, science fiction. These are niches. In the YouTube world, a cooking channel is a niche. So is a channel about vintage cars or one about knitting. Having a niche comes with a slew of benefits. For starters, it attracts a specific target audience. If you're a fan of vintage cars, you're more likely to subscribe to a channel dedicated to that topic, right? A niche makes it easier to identify and cater to your audience's interests. Secondly, having a niche can streamline content creation. When you have a clear focus, it's easier to come up with ideas and structure your videos. Lastly, a niche can help establish you as an expert in your field. If you consistently produce high-quality content about vintage cars, over time, viewers will come to trust your knowledge and opinions. You become the go-to source for anything related to vintage cars. But like anything, having a niche has its drawbacks. It can limit your creativity and the variety of your content. If you're a travel vlogger who suddenly develops a passion for baking, it might be hard to incorporate that into your channel without alienating your existing audience. Does having a niche always spell success for a YouTube channel? Or can success be achieved without one? It's a complex question with no straightforward answer, and it's one that we'll continue to explore throughout this discussion. Let's delve deeper into the world of niche and nicheless YouTube channels. On one hand, we have niche channels, which are like your favorite coffee shop, serving you your preferred brew just the way you like it. They focus on a specific topic or audience, be it cooking, fitness, tech reviews, or travel vlogs. The content is tailored to a particular taste, and the audience knows exactly what to expect with each video. Niche channels have the advantage of building a loyal and engaged audience as they cater directly to a viewer's specific interests. Content creators can become experts in their field, offering in-depth knowledge and unique insights that keep viewers coming back for more. However, the downside is that they can be somewhat restrictive. The content creator may feel boxed in, limited to creating content within their chosen niche, which might stifle their creativity or prevent them from exploring other areas of interest. On the other hand, we have nicheless channels. These are like a bustling city full of diverse sights, sounds, and experiences. With no specific focus, they offer a smorgasbord of content that can range from lifestyle vlogs and comedy sketches to educational videos and personal narratives. The main advantage of a nicheless channel is the freedom it offers. Content creators can explore various topics and formats, allowing their creativity to run wild and keeping their content fresh and exciting. However, building an audience on a nicheless channel can be a bit more challenging. Since the content can vary greatly from one video to the next, it may be harder to retain viewers who are only interested in certain types of content. But on the flip side, a nicheless channel has the potential to reach a wider audience, as it can appeal to a variety of interests and tastes. So, does being nicheless mean being aimless, or does it open up more opportunities for creativity and growth? As we'll see, the answer isn't as straightforward as you might think. Why would anyone choose to start a nicheless YouTube channel, you might ask? Well, let's dive into that. Nicheless channels, as the name suggests, aren't confined to a specific theme or topic. This unbounded approach gives creators the freedom to experiment with various types of content. One day they might post a cooking tutorial, the next a travel vlog, and maybe even a book review the day after. It's like having a painter's palette with an infinite array of colors. The canvas, their channel, the brush strokes, their content. This creative freedom can be incredibly liberating, allowing creators to express themselves fully and authentically. Then there's the potential to reach a broader audience. A nicheless channel can appeal to viewers with diverse interests. Someone who loves tech reviews might also enjoy a quirky comedy sketch or a heartfelt personal story. By offering a variety of content, nicheless channels can attract an eclectic mix of viewers. It's like throwing a big inclusive party where everyone's invited, and there's something for everyone. But perhaps one of the most exciting aspects of running a niche-less channel is the potential to stumble upon unexpected successful content. When you're not limited by a specific niche, you're more likely to try new things and take risks. And sometimes these risks pay off. You might post a video that you think won't get much attention, but it ends up going viral. It's like digging for treasure without a map. You never know what you might find. Of course, there are challenges with niche-less channels. There's the risk of confusing your audience, the difficulty in building a consistent brand, and the unpredictability of success. But for many creators, these challenges are simply part of the adventure. They're opportunities to learn, to grow, and to constantly reinvent themselves. Starting a niche-less channel may seem risky, but it also presents endless possibilities. So if you're a creator who thrives on variety, spontaneity, and the thrill of the unexpected, perhaps a niche-less YouTube channel is just the platform for you. Why am I, in the year 2024, deciding to start a niche-less YouTube channel? You might wonder. Well, the answer is quite simple and yet profoundly personal. It's all about the freedom to create, the desire to connect with a diverse audience, and the joy of exploration. Let's start with the first point. The freedom to create. As a creator, I cherish the liberty to explore different topics, formats, and styles. Being tied down to a specific niche can sometimes feel like being in a golden cage. It's safe, it's comfortable, but it can also be limiting. With a niche-less channel, I am free to follow my curiosity wherever it may lead, to create content that I am passionate about, not what's expected of me. Then there's the desire to reach a diverse audience. YouTube is a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and interests, and I want my channel to reflect that diversity. I want to create content that can resonate with a teenager in Tokyo, a mother in Mumbai, a college student in Copenhagen, or a retiree in Rio. A niche-less channel allows me to break the barriers of demographics and geography and connect with people on a human level, regardless of their age, location, or interests. Lastly, there's the thrill of exploration. With a niche-less channel, every video is a new adventure, a journey into the unknown. One day, I could be discussing the latest trends in technology. The next day, I could be sharing my thoughts on a classic novel, and the day after, I could be exploring the mysteries of the universe. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes it so exciting. So why am I starting a niche-less YouTube channel in 2024? It's because I want to embrace the freedom to create, the opportunity to connect with a diverse audience, and the thrill of exploration. In the vast realm of YouTube, choosing not to limit oneself to a niche is not a lack of direction, but a celebration of diversity and exploration.